Well, there are three types of clause. Three types of clause. Principal, second, subordinate, third, coordinate clause. Principal clause as giving structure, he told me that he was fine. In this sentence, he told me is called principal clause. Principal clause is called independent clause, and that he was fine is called subordinate clause, and subordinate clause is called dependent clause. Clause is a group of words. Here, subordinate clause, what he said is true. In this sentence, what is said is called subordinate clause or dependent clause. Subordinate or dependent clause, and is true is called principal clause or independent clause. Well, coordinate clause makes with the help of coordinating conjunction. He is a teacher and I know him. Coordination is being done with the help of and talking about he. So here he and him is added. So in this kind of sentences are called coordinate clause. Let me explain giving the examples of coordinate subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions are used to make a complex sentence. Remember, if you do not have ideas about using subordinate conjunction, you can't make complex sentence. If I don't know, if you asked him, so this one is called, if you asked him, subordinate clause, I know, I don't know, I don't know, is called principal clause or independent clause. Remember that these two words are very much important to know. Independent and dependent clause. In complex sentence, this sentence is as a structure is called complex one. Complex structure. I shall help you if you come here. Here, if you come here is called subordinate clause, and I shall help you is called principal clause or independent clause and dependent clause DC. Let me give example of using though. I did not support him, though he came to me. Though he came to me. Though he came to me. Though he came to me is called subordinate clause or dependent clause. I did not support him is called principal clause or independent clause. Though is a subordinator. Subordinator or subordinating conjunction. Without using though, there is no existence of he came to me. Though you try, you fail. Though you tried, you failed. Though you tried is subordinate clause or independent clause. You failed is called principal clause or though you tried is subordinate clause or dependent clause. You failed is called principal clause or dependent clause. The structure of sentence is called complex. Clear? Now, let me give example in other videos. I will tell you with regards to other subordinating conjunctions. Thank you.